1, 2, 3, go.
You showed me love, eyes like a phoenix, and fire that burned down below. You from above, home is where I want to be.
These two chords represent each of you as individuals. As you fasten your pieces together, these sections represent the joining of your two lives into one common purpose. It is the goal of marriage to achieve a blending of hearts and minds. But the spaces between these chords formed by the knot, but there are also spaces in your new life together, so each may encourage and nurture the individual growth of the other. I ask that you now pull on this rope to seek strength under pressure, while still allowing us to seek individual chords. Just as your support of one another as individuals strengthens your union. As you hold one another in mutual concern and shared respect, may you continue to hold each other tightly in your hearts and form a strong bond, now and forever. Let this knot indicate the strength of your love and be a symbol of unity from this day forward. Aaron, make it your bride.